I'm here to explain difference quotient, and that essentially refers to this formula right here, which tells you the slope over the course of an entire function, whereas the average rate of change tells you the difference between 2 points using a secant line.
Okay, so for step 1, for our difference quotient formula, we're going to be doing f times x plus h, the red part. So for step 1, we're going to replace all the x's with x plus h and simplify. So we're going to be taking these x's in the equation and just putting x plus h into them. So bringing that down, it's going to be 3, and then replacing that x with x plus h is going to be 3 times x plus h, and then that's squared, minus 5, and replacing that x with x plus h again, and then you're just going to bring down 4. Okay, so then you're going to FOIL this out, so we're just going to bring it into 2, that, and then I'm gonna multiply that through, so it's gonna be negative 5x, negative 5h, and then just bring down the 4. So then FOILing these, it's gonna be x times x, which is x squared, x times h, which is plus xh, then it's gonna be h times x, which is gonna be plus hx, and then h times h, which is going to be plus h squared. And then you're just going to bring all of that down. So minus 5x minus 5h plus 4. And then we're going to go ahead and multiply this 3 through all of that in the parentheses. So it's going to be 3x squared plus 3xh plus 3 hx plus 3h squared, and then again bring that down, so minus 5x minus 5h plus 4. And then we're going to find all the common factors and add them together. So it's going to be 3x squared because there's no more x squareds, and then 3xh and 3hx are the same thing, so we're gonna add those together, 3xh, and then everything else is different. You can add them together, so it's gonna be plus 3h squared minus 5x minus 5h plus 4, and then everything's simplified out.
All right, so in step 2, we will be subtracting f of x from our simplified answer that we got in step 1, which is written here, which is 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared minus 5x minus 5h plus 4. And we're going to be subtracting that by our original function, which was 3x squared minus 5x plus 4. So let's write that first part out. So we're going to have 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared minus 5x minus 5h plus 4. And then we're going to be subtracting that whole function up there, just 3x squared minus 5x plus 4. All right, so next we're going to bring this part down, and we're just going to write this beside it, but flipping each sign. So we're going to have 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared minus 5x minus 5h plus 4. Then we're going to flip each of these signs, so that'll be minus 3x squared plus a negative and a negative equal a positive, plus 5x, and then that'll be negative minus 4. Okay, so we're gonna see, now we're gonna simplify. We're gonna see what cancel out. So we have a positive 3x squared and a negative 3x squared. Those are gonna cancel out. Next, let's see. We have a positive 5x and a negative 5x. Those are both going to cancel out, as well as a negative 4 and a positive 4. Those are both also going to cancel out. So then we're going to be left with 6xh plus 3h squared minus 5h.
So the final step is to divide the equation that you have from step 2 by h. I found the easiest way is to factor out an h so that they cancel out in the end. So if you factor out an h from each of these, it would give you 3h plus 6x minus 5. And when you place that over h, the h's will cancel out and leave you with your final answer of 3h plus 6x minus 5.